Hello and good day! Welcome back sa aming channel, Half a Day Mabuhay. Today's video, i-share ko lang po sa inyo ang mga job opportunities for US citizens or permanent resident expats na kasalukuyang nakatira po dyan sa Pilipinas. Napakaganda at napakalaking opportunities na po ito para sa inyo. Ang sinasabi po dyan, qualified recruits could receive up to $140,000. Ang Navy recruiting team po ay nasa Pilipinas from April 22, so starting today, up to April 30. At different locations in Manila, Angeles City, Subic Bay, Cebu, and Cavite. Makikita nyo po dyan sa screen. Ayan po ang pre-qualification screening requirements. From 17 to 41 years old, dapat pasado sa medical screening, walang ongoing legal matters sa korte, high school seniors or graduates, single or married. Ayan po, very simple lang ang kanilang pre-qualification screening requirements. Itong recruitment po is specifically for US nationals, yung US citizen or green card holder. Kaya expected na po ng applicant, meron na pong social security card, birth certificate, US passport, and for green card holders, yung foreign passport. Ang testing po and medical screening for all qualified applicants ay dito po sa Guam gagawin lahat. Ang Guam po is napakalapit sa Pilipinas. Less than 4 hours po ang travel time. After na makumpleto lahat ng requirements at accepted na sa Navy ang aplikante, bibigyan po nila ito ng pagkakataon na makabalik po sa Pilipinas bago sila dalhin sa bootcamp. Ito po ay napakadali at napakabilis na proseso. At kung iisipin po natin, ang Navy personnel na po ang lumalapit sa mga US nationals na interesadong mag-apply to become US Navy. Gaya po ng nabanggit natin, ang Guam Navy Recruiting Team ay nandiyan po ngayon sa Pilipinas from April 22 to April 30 at various locations. Please pay attention po sa mga dates. Kagaya po niya, nasa Paco, Manila sila, April 22, 24 to 29 from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Wala lang po tayong nakuhang contact number. Nasa San Antonio, Cavite po sila, April 23 from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Sa Makati, Metro Manila, April 26 and April 30 from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Angeles City, Pampanga, April 22 from 9:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. Sa Clark Subdivision, Angeles City, April 23 from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So, same time po sila at various locations from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. And then sa Subic, Olongapo City, Zambales, from April 25, 26, and 29 from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. And then sa Cebu City, from April 23 to April 26 from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. then. Please check the description box below for more information. So, good luck po sa lahat ng mga applicants. Sana po nakatulong sa inyo ang video na ito. Ito po ang recap ng ating video for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel, Half a Day Mabuhay. Thank you very much.